Habit 1, one touch rule. Your brain is like a smartphone with too many apps running in the background. Every unfinished task, that email you read but didn't reply to, the dishes you walked past, the bill sitting on your counter, is draining your mental battery. Here's how to fix it. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. One touch, done. Don't put it on a list. Don't save it for later. Just handle it right now. Most people touch the same task multiple times. They see an email, read it, close it, think about it later, open it again, and finally respond. That's exhausting. When you start completing things in one interaction, you'll get hours of mental energy back. Habit 2. Double inhale breathing. You know that afternoon brain fog that hits no matter how much coffee you drink? Your nervous system has a manual override button that takes 30 seconds to use. Breathe in through your nose, then take a second, smaller inhale to fill your lungs completely. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. This technique floods your system with oxygen and immediately calms your stress response. It's like hitting refresh on your mental state. Use it before important conversations, when you're feeling overwhelmed, or anytime you need to snap back into focus. Habit 3. Boredom hours. We've trained ourselves to fear empty moments. The second there's nothing happening, we grab our phones. Standing in line, walking somewhere, even using the bathroom, everything gets filled with content consumption. Your brain needs downtime to process and recharge. Schedule actual boredom into your day. Sit somewhere without entertainment. Take a walk without music or podcasts. Eat a meal without scrolling. This will feel uncomfortable at first because you're used to constant stimulation. But in those quiet moments, your mind can actually think instead of just react. That's where creativity, problem solving, and self-awareness happen. Habit 4. Chunk your goals. Big goals can demotivate you because success always feels far away. Instead of one massive target, create multiple smaller milestones that build toward your main objective. Want to lose 20 pounds? Celebrate at 5, 10, and 15. Building a business? Mark revenue milestones, not just the end goal. Learning a skill? Track weekly improvements, not just mastery. Each small win gives you a dopamine hit that reinforces the behavior. Instead of months of feeling like you're not there yet, you're constantly achieving something. The momentum builds on itself. Habit 5. Movement breaks. Sitting all day literally changes your brain chemistry and destroys your energy levels. But you don't need hour-long gym sessions to fix this. Think of movement as medicine you take throughout the day. Do jumping jacks during commercial breaks. Take phone calls while walking. Dance to one song between tasks. Park further away. Take the stairs. The goal isn't fitness, it's circulation. Moving your body gets blood flowing to your brain, which improves your mood, focus, and energy instantly. Even 2 minutes can shift your entire mental state. These aren't massive life overhauls. They're small systems that work with your natural psychology instead of against it. Pick one that feels doable and let it prove itself to you before adding the next one.